Nongrep narilum khasi jantia kila Pynpaw bagi don bon bah ki Jingeh bagi yakendo habayade baka ski masyur kabayade nak benta ki Jingiarap namar ka Jingiar dor usensar badru halor ka Jingiap teram ukwai. Ya kani Nongrep kila Pynpaw ha ka Jingialang balalum da ka NPP Farmers Front nak benta ki Nongelam jo ki Nongrep nak kalengki benta jong ka rilum khasi bak jantia. Chairman ke NPP Farmers Front ba Himasyang Pliang habakran bakila patai Khubor hadian ka Jingialang gulaya thu baka front kala jit yaki Nongelam naki distrik ringkat ka Jing betha bakin thau yaki block committee panpet yaka Jingeh jong ki Nongrep. Laya thu ru ba ka Jingialang kala kran ru halor ka dawai sbo bat kila pentip yaki Nongrep baka sorkar kalamang sans pa metric ton na kabenta ban sampat cekipat Nongrep.
Has been convened today. It has been convened to basically issue the appointment letters of the district heads. So we have appointed the district presidents from the front in all the Khasi, Jingialang and Khubor districts. And these district presidents will go back and constitute their district committee. And we have given each president 1 month's time to constitute the district committee. And side by side, they will also constitute the block committee. Every constituency will have one block committee. And in this, there will be also a selection of block members who will be participating in the whole organization. So today we have started the organization of the NPP Farmers Front. So besides that, we also relating to the Garo Hills, we have also requested our friends who are in the Garo Hills area, Garo Hills region. They will also be recommending the names of those friends who are willing to be part of this front, and there will be the district president's recommendation and also the block formation as well. Besides that, today we have also discussed the scheme which has been sanctioned by the government called the NEHU scheme. The NEHU scheme, as we know, is a scheme that is to assist the farmers who are into broomstick cultivation and the farmers who are into areca nut cultivation. As we all know that the price of the broomstick has drastically gone down. Therefore, the NPP-led government has provided this opportunity to every broomstick farmer to be able to sustain their commodity, to sustain the sale of or sustain the cost of the broomstick. We know that for a grade 1, the broomstick commodity would cost about 55 rupees per kg, the grade 2 would cost about 40, and the grade 3 or grade C would cost about 30 rupees. As we understand from the farmers that the cost fixed by the government is a bit too low, and therefore today's meeting which we have had here has resolved to approach to the government once again to review the cost of the price, to review the cost of this 55 rupees per kg, and if possible to enhance the amount. Also, this meeting today resolved that the 800 rupees kg quota that has been kept for the broomstick be also enhanced beyond 1000 kg. Why? Because there are broomstick farmers who are even cultivating and even having more than 2000 to 3000 kgs with them. And for them, if they say that if it is a limit of only 800 kg, then the question is what do they do with the rest that is left behind? So therefore, we will leave this, we will approach the government and the Department of Agriculture from the front, from the party side, and we will request the government to review and re-examine if these things are possible. From what we could understand, that there is a delay in registration. Our farmer friends who are assembled here today, they said that there is a delay in registration under the CM Assure. We would like to request the authorities concerned, the department concerned in agriculture or in horticulture, to kindly expedite the registration. The registration process is assisted by certain volunteers at the block level. Now these volunteers themselves are not really aware about the scheme, and therefore I think further awareness is required even at the block level or at the grassroots at the volunteer level as well. That is one. The other reason that the farmers were complaining was that they are not aware about the CM Assure scheme. Therefore, the registration is less, and the interest shown by the farmers is also less. It's because there are other forces, other factors that they go to the farmers, and they are making the farmers feel scared to take this particular scheme because they say perhaps you may not get the money on time. But it is not so. We have made it very clear to all the farmers that the moment the money is, the name is registered, the money is released to the beneficiaries instantly. However, we reviewed on the number of the registration that has come to us, which has been collected by our members from the horticulture department. Now it says that there are about 5,657 farmers that have been registered so far as on 21st April. And out of 5,600, only 4,182 farmers have been approved, meaning only this much farmers have been released with the amount. And the amount released as on 21st April 2025 has been 5 crores 82 lakhs. So therefore, we from the NPP Farmers Front, we have resolved that our party cadres, our members from the party in the Farmers Front, will go to the grassroots, will go and meet the farmers and create an awareness to all the farmers to avail this particular scheme. The other issue which the farmers have raised today is on the areca nut. Apparently, the bud rot disease has not reduced. The bud rot disease apparently has been increasing by the day, and today the farmers who have come from the southwest and the West Khasi Hills, they have reported that there are more cases of bud rot diseases which are killing the areca nut tree. And therefore, the front, on behalf of all the farmers, would appeal to the agriculture department and the horticulture department to take immediate steps to curtail the spread of the disease of bud rot and to provide necessary assistance to all these areca nut farmers. We understand that there is a CM Assure which has been provided by the government for all the areca nut farmers. We will be creating an awareness among the areca nut farmers as well, so that they will also avail this particular scheme. But while they avail this scheme, we would also request the department to examine the cause of this disease. Why is this disease not being taken under control? It is spreading from one district to another district. That was the primary concern of all the farmers today. So these are the main issues that have been discussed. Then the last issue that was discussed was on the fertilizers. So my colleague, Ejen, has already explained, but I would like also to say that the fertilizers that has not reached to the farmers from the month of February has become a big concern to all the farmers who are used to cultivation with the help of fertilizers. We understand that organic farming is also the trend of the day. But our farmers, who are already conservative farmers, are yet to change their mindset from the inorganic or the cultivation with the help of the fertilizers to organic. It will take some time for this transition, but till such time, we appeal to the government to continue to support our farmers by providing the assistance for the fertilizers. The Deputy Chief Minister, President Song, has taken a lot of initiative in providing the facilities to get the fertilizers to the state. We understood that the fertilizers were stuck in Dibrugarh because the indent order was not issued by the Meghalaya government. By the intervention of our Deputy Chief Minister, now the process has started again and the fertilizers have reached Khanapara, and the only thing left with us is for the sanction from the department. Though the proposal has gone from the MECOFED to the Registrar of Cooperative Society, in a few days we understand that the Cooperative Society Department, Cooperation Department, will be issuing the sanction.